are going to love the 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, climate control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.